Rain is likely this morning, heading into the afternoon. Expect periods of rain. Rain may be moderate to heavy at times. This evening, there is a better chance for a few storms. A few isolated, strong to possibly severe storms will be possible this evening. During the overnight, a cold front will move through, moving from the northwest to the southeast. And as it does, rain chances should leave the area by around 3-4 o'clock in the morning. It should be mostly dry, and then by daybreak Tuesday, looks to be mostly cloudy with a small chance for a few showers. For today, there is a marginal risk for severe storms in that dark green color. That means that isolated severe storms will be a possibility. Large hail, damaging winds, flooding, and lightning being the main hazards. For rainfall totals, pretty impressive through the afternoon. Most areas seeing an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain, mainly north of Interstate 20 for that rain. And then heading into the night, rain chances expand south and east, and most areas through these next 24 hours should see around 1 to 2 inches of rain with some possibly higher totals. And because of all that rain, there is a really good chance for some flooding. A flood watch is in effect for the area in green through 7 a.m. Tuesday morning. Right now, temperatures starting out mild, 64 Abilene, 68 Albany, 67 degrees for Eastland. Winds are variable, mainly out of the southeast, around 10 to 15 miles per hour. And heading throughout the afternoon, temperatures will be unseasonably mild, only in the mid to upper 70s for most. So that is around 15 degrees below average for Abilene today. 78 it will be cloudy with occasional showers and storms overnight. Rain chances do come to an end, but there is still some chances for rain with that low down near 62. Brownwood today, 80 degrees. May see some sun, but cloud cover does win out with a 50% chance for rain and storms overnight. Better chances for rain will be seen, and that low down near 67. And here's the rest of that 7-day forecast. Pretty unsettled week for us here. Best chance for rain is today, and then Tuesday mainly dry. Temperatures each day of this week will be below average, and each day we'll see a chance for some rain showers and storms.